everyone, I am nail artist Bettina Goldstein.
I'm Bobbi Brown.
My name is Mian.
The foods you eat, the supplements you take, and the skincare routine you do, you will see a difference.
A light bulb has been turned on for many people to look at themselves, how they treat their bodies, and take self-care more serious.
I can't wait to share with you my Get Ready to simplify your life and amplify your skin.
We will discuss the possibilities of beauty and gut health.
I'm going to be conducting a makeup tutorial session.
We'll be doing my hair masterclass.
Beauty has no rules, and that's my definition.
Vogue India's
Vogue India's
Beauty Festival 2020.